Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the basic seam types. Okay guys, let's start to learn about this machine fell seam. This seam looks like a plain seam with double top stitching, but the wrong side is different, knit without overlock. The constructions. First, fabric with 1 cm seam allowance, the second fabric with 2 cm seam allowance, then stitch the seam line. The both fabrics will have 1 cm different seam allowance. Folded the longer seam allowance to cover the short ones, and then fold the short fabric to cover all the seam allowance, just like this, and then add the top stitching. How to make it? Prepare 2 pieces of fabrics. First fabrics with wrong side on the top, and then put the second fabric on top of the first, so will be wrong side together and the seam allowance has 1 cm gap like this. So it will be one fabric has 2 cm seam allowance and the other one has only 1 cm seam allowance. And then stitch the seam line 2 cm from the edge of the seam allowance. The result will be like this. Open the garment sample with right side in the top. This is how the seam allowance looks like. They have 1 cm different size between the both fabric. Fold the wider seam allowance to cover the narrow seam allowance. Continue to roll it like this. And then do the top stitching as close as possible to the edge of seam allowance. This is right side with 2 top stitchings. And then the wrong side with 1 top stitching, knit without overlock. Let's have a quick look about plain seam with top stitching and machine fell seam. The both right side have the same look. The difference is in the wrong side. The wrong side of plain seam has overlock finish, while the right side of machine fell is knit without overlocking. With these basic seam types, we can easily start our sewing projects. We will discuss about more advanced seam types in the next video. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Leave the comment down below what next video we should discuss in our channel. Subscribe for more video, and if you like this video, give me thumbs up.